Hey turkey birds, here's the issue. Trying to put a knob onto the window crank. They come from the factory a little bit too tight. They do that so that this is a good fit and they don't come off when you're cranking the window. But in order to get them to fit the stem here, you need to make that hole a little bit bigger. And here's how we do it. We boil the knob. I can't get a hold of it. We boil the knob so that the hole, here we go. It's supposed to expand enough so that I can just press this stem into the hole. Didn't work very good. Let's try it again. Okay, let's see if it works. Ah, perfect. Success. I will not fail. I will succeed.